Hello, Pinecrest residents. Let's keep our community green, beautiful, and safe by trimming the trees properly. When trimming your tree, avoid hat racking, lion tail, and other improper tree trimming. It's harmful, removing too much canopy and damaging the tree's health. Trim bushes so that sidewalks are clear of debris. To keep sidewalks and roads clear and to avoid accidents, hire registered landscapers only. Commercial landscaping on Sundays or holidays is not allowed. A permit is required for all tree removal, and in commercial areas, a permit is required for trimming. Remember, healthy trees equal beautiful Pinecrest canopy. For more information, visit www.pinecrest-fl.gov/trees.